Hey there. So you're somebody who's been already building websites since quite some time, and you have spent a lot of time and effort in order to build something custom of your own. But now you want to switch gears and switch platforms and you want to come to HubSpot. Then you are facing an issue that you want to import your previous blog post to HubSpot and you are running into troubles. How do I do this? So we are here to help you today and we will tell you how you can import your blog post inside HubSpot. So let's talk about how you can import your blog posts inside HubSpot. So in order to do that, firstly go to settings. On the left side, click on website, click on blog. Here you have a lot of options. In the current view, where there is written the blog name, there is an option to create new blog or import blog. Click on import blog option. Now it will allow you an option to do a new content import. So you can import your content into HubSpot. You can start new import. And we are going to import blog posts. So now there are 4 options in order to do this. Either you can do a smart copy or you can do WordPress Connect. WordPress is one of the popular CMS out there, so it will directly connect to your WordPress website and just a link to your blog, and then all of the posts would be copied. Or you can do a CSV file upload to import existing blog posts inside HubSpot. Or you can also do an XML file upload from WordPress or other CMS, and it will be uploaded to your HubSpot blog. So here, out of these 4 options, we are going to use something like CSV file upload. Click on next. And which blog platform are you currently using? It's WordPress. And we'll import it to our test blog and choose the file for uploading. So here we have our files. And then click on open. So our blog posts are copied. We click on copy blog posts and the data is over here. So you can map the columns in the file to the blog property in order to ensure that everything is copied same. So once appropriate options have been mapped out, click on next, and now your files would be preparing for import, and then they will be imported. And once all of your posts are imported, you will be able to see them with ease. And for the meantime, you can return to your dashboard and continue your work. So guys, I hope this was informative and you learned something new today on how you can import your blog posts inside HubSpot. And in case you are still running into some issues, do let us know via the comments down below. Or you can always click on the link in the pinned comment below. Or you can scan the QR code on the screen in front of you in order to book a free one-on-one consultation call with us. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.